Welcome to the XMedius Helpdesk portal. Our client portal is a secure website that gives you access to your company's records in our Autotask database. The Helpdesk client portal enables you to create tickets, also known as service requests, monitor the tickets, and create other kind of projects. Using this portal, you can submit tickets directly into our ticketing system. You can monitor the progress of other tickets that you've previously submitted and various projects, as well as reviewing our staff's notes and time entries. You can add notes and attachments of your own and run reports to see how many block hours are left on your account. When you first get, or when your account is first created, you will get an email similar to this. It'll give you the client portal URL, your username, and a password. One of the first things you should do when you log in, of course, is change your password. So put in your username, which is typically an email address, and your password. When you first log in, you'll see a number of different menu items across the top of your web page. Tickets, this is how you can look at your tickets, open a ticket, manage your tickets. Reports, run reports, manage, search our knowledge base, and go to some custom links. You'll also see a welcome message, search, and a dashboard type status that all relate to your account. You'll also see for the first time a welcome message that gives you some information about the new look and feel of the client portal. The first thing you're going to want to do when you first log in is go to your name and change your password. Put in your current password and then put in a new one. Followed by save and close. You also may want to consider editing your profile. Here, you can put in any kind of relevant information that isn't in your profile already, and then see your status or what you are able to do with this login. Anything that has to do with managing tickets can be found under tickets. Look at the ones that you have open, look at the ones you have closed or completed, or to create a new ticket. To create a new ticket, you just simply select New. Request type, move, add, change, repair, or sales quote request. So move, add, change is any kind of change to the system as opposed to fixing something that is broken. This includes adding, say, users to transcription. This means adding mailboxes, any kind of action like that. A repair request or service ticket is to fix something that is broken. Inherent in that is it was previously working at one time. The other is a sales or a quote request if you want to add something new to your system rather than just simply change or modify it as you see in a move, add, change request. So let's create a new ticket by selecting repair request. Put in a title for this request. Select the contact. If you are the contact, your contact information will be automatically added to the ticket. Description. It's helpful in the description to add as much of the background information as possible. Did it used to work? Was it working at any given time? Something along those lines. You then select a priority. Now we have three different priorities: high, medium, and low. High is a critical issue. It's service affecting for most, if not all, the users on the XMedius system. It is affecting your company's ability to do business, or it's affecting their workflows to have this problem. This is a problem that needs to be fixed as soon as humanly possible. Medium is somewhat less service affecting. It may affect one or more members, but it is not something that is affecting everything company-wide, but it is still a priority. Low would be, this is a problem, but it's not affecting the service of really anybody. Just one or two minor features that are not working or something along those lines. Like, for instance, if all things being equal, message waiting is working, they can get their messages, then email notifications would probably be a lower type of priority. So if the configuration item is not here, you simply select one. And then we have some background stuff. Description of the issue. This is a pretty simple issue. I just simply cut and paste this. Who will be the primary contact if it is not you? Contact information. Contact hours if you do not want to be contacted during normal business hours, or if this is especially if it's a high priority, you might want to put anytime or 24/7. And PBX IT vendor, if known, if it is applicable to this. Once you are satisfied with the ticket, you just simply press Save Ticket. Although you can save and attach a file. This could be for something like logs. This could be for an image, if there's something weird on the screen that you don't understand, a screen capture or something like that. I'm just simply going to save the ticket. Once you do that, you will see that it is issued a ticket number along with the subject, and you will have an activity pane over here to the right. All your information that you entered can be found on the left, and then any additional stuff you need to add can be found over to the right. Notice that you can also search our knowledge base or add something here. That is available, of course, from the main menu bar as well. It's probably not a bad idea to look through the knowledge base to maybe look at your problem. Maybe you can fix it yourself. But in any event, if you have something else to add to the ticket, you'll be able to do that here. Otherwise, you can just simply close the ticket. And you'll notice the ticket has been added to our dashboard. If I want to see those or see my tickets, I can go to My Tickets, or just simply, you can see my open tickets here. I can just simply click on them. And again, I have the same screen where I can add notes if something has changed with this ticket. The portal also allows you to run various reports. You have invoices, block hours, retainer report, per ticket contract report, or a ticket report. And these are mostly used for managing your account. If you're not familiar with what a block hour is, you basically buy, move, adds, and changes in hours of time. This would tell you a summary of the block hours that you have, how many you've purchased, how many you've deducted, how much activity has happened within the last month. You also can look at a ticket report. This allows you to select the criteria and then basically generate a report. I only have one ticket here. This is showing me the detail. And of course, like any of the reports, I can print this out. I can export this to Excel. You'll see my report show up below or in wherever you have your downloads. And when you're finished with the report, you just simply close. When you're through with your session, simply select your name and press Log Out.